Hello guys, I have bought a new cycle from online. Cycle's name is CRADIAC Stinger. It's a steel frame cycle and you can see the color shade of the cycle, red and black combination. It's very attractive. Telling about the main components of the cycle, CRADIAC has provided this cycle 27.5 tire and its rim is steel. The company is also provided quick release option for the front hub, so you can easily attach and detach according to your situation. Telling about the brakes of the cycle, it has normal mechanical disc brakes. And you can also see a CRADIAC badging over the suspension. The suspension is having decent travel. So telling about the brake levers of the cycle, it's having a alloy brake lever. The handlebar is also of steel. Telling about the main part of the cycle, the gear set, the CRADIAC has provided micro shift gears on both sides. You can also see front derailleur is also of micro shift. And rear derailleur is also of micro shift. It's a 21-speed cycle. You can see a triple chain wheel and a 7-speed free wheel. There is also badging given to the free wheel, trio blade. This cycle is having a plastic pedal. The other main advantage of the cycle is this cycle is having a quick release option for the seat, so you can easily attach and detach your height according to your situation. So this is the details about this cycle, and it's a very budget friendly cycle. You can easily search it on online portals. Thank you.